But before...
Just say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. What's up, everyone? This is Scott with Team 512, and I'm back with another video. Today, we have a nice, clean, white C6 convertible in the Team 512 garage. And I think this is the first time we've ever had a C6 in the Team 512 garage. And it's owned by my buddy Rich over here. And before I tell you what we're going to do to Rich's car, let's hear about what's already been done.
Yeah, we have a carbon fiber spoiler. We have a wind restrictor, which I highly recommend to any convertible owner, and a Corsa Sport Axle Back exhaust.
Awesome. Yeah. And so what are we going to do to your car today?
Oh man, we're going to put an Xpipe and some carbon fiber side skirts.
Yeah, check this out. So we have a Corsa Catless Xpipe over here to finish off that Corsa Axle Back, and we have these carbon fiber side skirts we're going to install as well. Now, this is going to be a two-part video series, so you're not going to get to see all of this done to Rich's car in this video. We're just going to focus on this Xpipe for now. The next video, we're going to go into the side skirts. What do you say we just jump into it and get started?
Hell yeah, let's do this.
Let's do it. All right, you guys know anytime I do an exhaust video, I like to get a before and after sound level using this decibel app. So we're going to put this behind Rich's car right now and see how loud that Corsa Sport Axle Back is. Then after we put the Xpipe on, we're going to do this one more time and see if we gained any volume. So I think we hit, ouch, my hip. All right, so the decibel app says we hit a max of 106.7 with Rich's car. So let's see if we can beat that once this Xpipe goes on. I'm under Rich's C6 right now. Right above me is his factory Xpipe, and it's going bye-bye. But before it does, we've got to loosen these band clamps. We have to remove the nuts that are holding on the exhaust hanger, and then we got to work our way up front because there's 4 bolts we have to undo. So let's get started doing that. Now that everything is loose, we're going to go ahead and start removing this Xpipe.
It's coming. There's one.
Aha.
Aha.
There we go. Let's set it up here. Yeah, there you go. We got Rich some wall art. So now we're going to go ahead and we're just going to grab the Corsa and just reverse the process. Pretty easy. All right, you guys, right here are the 2 donut gaskets. You just want to be very careful not to damage these, and you want to check them, make sure they're not cracked or flaking or pieces breaking off so that it makes a good seal with the new Xpipe. All right, guys, now we have the new Corsa pipe here, and we're just going to reverse the process. It's not going to be too bad, especially with another set of hands back there.
Need more?
Nope.
Oh, wow.
Once you get these slipped over, there we go. We're good. Just like that, man.
Wow.
All right, that was a lot easier than the one on the C7, I gotta be honest with you. And it has nothing to do with the pipe. I think it's just the way these cars are designed. They're a little bit differently. So now all we have to do is just make sure everything's nice and tight, and we can do another sound test for you guys.
I can't wait.
All right, so let's get these nuts tight. All right, I don't know if anybody else will find this interesting at all, but I'm gonna put this in the video. So we have 3 generations of Corvette mid-pipes sitting here in my garage at one time. We've got the massive C5 pipe here. It's huge with the cats built into it. We have Rich's C6, and then we have the one off of my C7 Grand Sport. So there you go. If you ever wanted to know what a C5, C6, and C7 mid-pipe, H-pipe, X-pipe look like, well, here you go. You can see the C5 and the C6 are an H-pipe configuration, and the C7 is a true X-pipe with secondary cats that are not monitored. So you can replace your X-pipe with an AWE X-pipe and not worry about throwing a code. All right, now it's time to get this car on the ground and do another sound test and see if we added some noise to this vert. All right, guys, you know my line after an exhaust mod, and it goes like this. There is nothing, and I mean nothing, more exciting than the first startup after an exhaust mod. That sounded much better. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the decibel app out and see if we added some volume to this C6. All right, guys, so we just did the sound test in Rich's car, and well, we gained a decibel on the overall volume, but it sounds better, right? It's got more of that purr, more of that Corvette sound. And you guys know that once these cars get under load with exhaust, they sound really good. So I'm anxious to get this car out on the road and do a road test. But that's not gonna be in this video. This is just an install video to show you how easy it actually is to put a new X-pipe in your C7 Corvette. And it was pretty easy. So that'll do it for this video. Thanks for spending some of your time with me. Really appreciate it. Rich, thanks for bringing your beautiful convertible C6 over to the Team 512 garage.
Thank you.
And I hope you had fun. And come on, guys, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and leave me some comments. You know I love interacting with people who love cars and Corvettes just as much as I do. Till next time, see ya.